Assalamualaikum, it's me Talha, your British trainer from England. Welcome to another video. Today I'm in East Village and this is for England. So welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you 9 British expressions. So today we will be starting with alright, alright, alright. You often say this in England, like if you say hi to someone, but there's 2 tenses to this. Alright, are you alright? When someone gets hurt, you say your friend, are you alright? Then after this one, you say alright, like hello. Next one, cheers. Cheers means like when you put your glasses together, or when someone gives you a fruit, when someone serves you, you say cheers, cheers. Also say thank you mate, cheers. So this is another word I'm saying thank you, thank you, thank you. So cheers, cheers, thank you for means thank you, thank you. So if you say cheers, thank you, cheers, for giving me some food, like you're saying thank you for giving me food. It's a synonym of thank you. And so the next one is mate, mate. So when you often say this to your friend, like not anyone else, just your friend, like mate, are you okay mate? You say mate, it's like a definition for friend. Are you mate? Next one, what are you on about? It's like, what are you on about? So if someone's talking to you and you're like, oh no, I'm so confused, what are you? And then you're going to be saying, what you're on about? What you're on about means, what are you talking about basically? And you're so confused basically. So this is what you're on about means. So the next one I'm going to be telling you is actually, don't use it in public. Just use it for your friend, just like me. So this is budge up. Budge up. B-U-D-G-U-P. Budge up. Budge up means when your friend is talking to you and like and then you're going to be saying budge up, like move up, give me space. So don't use this in public because you're going to be getting kicked out of the bus or something. But you would say, oh, can you budge up? I want to watch the movie as well. So like when you are coming into the room and you get interested in the movie, I want to sit down, and then you tell your friend to budge up. But in the bus, do not do this because this is actually, because the people might take it very offensively. So don't do this. The next one is very good because when you're talking to English, I've studied on IELTS and great honors and masters for English. This is very good because this is knackered. Knackered is a definition for tired. So if you're tired, it means you are knackered. So knackered. I am very knackered because I slept late. I slept late. So the next one I'm going to be telling you is gutted. Gutted. So gutted means when you're very annoyed, very annoyed. Gutted means very, very, very annoyed. So when you're sad, annoyed, and then friends keep on teasing you, said, oh, please don't tease me, I'm very gutted. So that's what annoying means, gutted. It means gutted. So next one I'm going to be telling you is rubbish. Rubbish. So when you say, oh, there's 2 tenses of this. Oh, rubbish, I need to throw this in the rubbish bin. Okay. Now another one is rubbish. Oh my goodness, what is that? That's so rubbish. This is often used and it's quite like rude to say it to other people, like that was rubbish. It's quite a little bit rude, but really people just use the most of that word for let me throw this in the rubbish bin. That's how we say it. But then in America they say rubbish as a trash can. So please do subscribe to our channel and click the notifications bell so you never miss a lesson. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum.